Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Langlet Guides Multiple Choice Question Series. We are here today to discuss some important MCQs on the topic Sailing to Byzantium. But before starting, we are on the road to 3K. So consider sharing these videos with your friends and smacking that subscribe button if you feel the content useful. So without further ado, let's go on to the MCQs. Question number 1. Sailing to Byzantium is written in 1926 by William Butler Yeats and first published in 1928 in the collection named Dash Dash. Options are A. The Tower, B. The Mirror, C. The Turret, or D. The Battlement. Correct option is A. The Tower. Question number 2. Yeats always admired Byzantium, the capital city of Eastern Roman Empire, which was called Dash Dash and Istanbul in later times. Options are A. Osaka, B. Mexico, C. Constantinople, or D. Istanbul. Correct option is C. Constantinople. Question number 3. Sailing to Byzantium comprises 4 stanzas and each stanza is made up of dash dash. Options are A. 4 lines, B. 10 lines, C. 6 lines, or D. 8 lines. Correct option is D. 8 lines. Question number 4. Sailing to Byzantium describes the dash dash journey of a man pursuing his own vision of eternal life and conception of paradise. Options are A. Literal, B. Hateful, C. Metaphorical, or D. Symbolical. Correct option is C. Metaphorical. Question number 5. Man versus nature and dash dash are the major themes of Sailing to Byzantium. Options are A. Eternity, B. Mortality, C. Humanity, or D. Loneliness. Correct option is A. Eternity. Question number 6. Who is the speaker of the poem Sailing to Byzantium? Options are A. A young man, B. An old or aged man, C. A dying man, or D. A child. Correct option is B. An old or aged man. Question number 7. The speaker of the poem wants to escape from the world where dash dash people are neglected. Options are A. Foolish, B. Wise or aged, C. Crazy, or D. Stupid. Correct option is B. Wise or aged. Question number 8. Byzantium is symbolic of a place that may resolve the eternal struggle between the limitations of the dash dash world and the aspirations of the immortal spirit. Options are A. Lethargic, B. Lazy, C. Ideal, or D. Physical. Correct option is B. Physical. Question number 9. Yeats is sailing to Byzantium from Ireland because the country is dash dash. Options are A. Not suitable for old people, B. Most populated, C. Polluted, or D. Unhygienic. Correct option is A. Not suitable for old people. Question number 10. The speaker in Sailing to Byzantium wishes to sail and go to Byzantium, which is dash dash. Options are A. A real world or country, B. An imaginary world or country, C. A historical place, or D. An island. Correct option is B. An imaginary world or country. Question number 11. How do you interpret the youngsters in the line, the young in one another's arms? Options are A. They help one another, B. They are busy in reproduction, C. They are progressing, or D. They are pillars of nation. Correct option is B. They are busy in reproduction. Question number 12. Byzantium is a dash dash for the art of ancient Byzantium. Options are A. Antonym, B. Synonym, C. Metonym, or D. Acronym. Correct option is C. Metonym. Question number 13. According to Yeats, youth is a time of enjoyment of worldly pleasures, while old age is all about how one utilizes one's dash dash for the betterment of the soul. Options are A. Power, B. Property, C. Knowledge, or D. Wisdom. Correct option is D. Wisdom. Question number 14. Yeats talks about the dying culture of his time and the role of dash dash and its magnificence that can last for eternity. Options are A. Ancient history, B. Classical painting, C. Classical art, or D. Classical music. Correct option is C. Classical art. Question number 15. The poem Sailing to Byzantium begins with a dash dash sentence. Options are A. Interrogative, B. Declarative, C. Imperative, or D. Exclamatory. Correct option is B. Declarative. Question number 16. Creatures like fish, flesh, or fowl in Ireland are busy to listen dash dash kind of music. Options are A. Classical, B. Sensual, C. Lyrical, or D. Intellectual. Correct option is B. Sensual. Question number 17. Whom does the poet refer as dying generations? Options are A. Animals, birds and plants, B. Flies, birds and humans, C. Birds, snakes and human, or D. Birds, fishes and human. Correct option is D. Birds, fishes and humans. Question number 18. Whom does the poet appeal in the third stanza of the poem to help him? Options are A. Sages, B. King, C. Warriors, or D. Artist. Correct option is A. Sages. Question number 19. The speaker addresses the sages of Byzantium whose images are enclosed inside a dash dash represented in gold mosaic. Options are A. Burning fire, B. Holy fire, C. Boiling fire, or D. Burning flame. Correct option is B. Holy fire. Question number 20. What did the poet urge to the sages in the poem? Options are A. Teach him carving, B. Teach him painting, C. Teach him dancing, or D. Teach him singing. Correct option is D. Teach him singing. Question number 21. In the second stanza of the poem, an old man is considered as a dash dash thing. Options are A. Valuable, B. Important, C. Petty or unimportant, or D. Respected. Correct option is C. Petty or unimportant. Question number 22. Whom does the poet compare old man in the native country? Options are A. A scarecrow, B. A parrot, C. A skylark, or D. A robin. Correct option is A. A scarecrow. Question number 23. According to the speaker, old man is like a tattered dash dash upon a stick. Options are A. Turban, B. Trousers, C. Shirt, or D. Coat. Correct option is D. Coat. Question number 24. What does the young generation neglects? Options are A. Life cycle, B. Sensual music, C. Unaging intellect, or D. Beauty of nature. Correct option is C. Unaging intellect. Question number 25. What is the rhyme scheme of the poem Sailing to Byzantium? Options are option A. ABA, BAB, CC. Option B. ABB, AA, BBA. Option C. ABC, DAB, CD. Or option D. ABB, AAB, CD. Correct option is option A. ABA, BAB, CC. Question number 26. Sailing to Byzantium explores the contrast between age and youth as well as dash dash. Options are A. Responsibility and spirituality, B. Sensibility and spirituality, C. Sensuality and spirituality, or D. Ability and spirituality. Correct option is C. Sensuality and spirituality. Question number 27. At the beginning, singing is referred as whatever is begotten, born and dies, while at the end to indicate immortality, it is referred as what is dash dash. Options are A. Death, life and rebirth, B. Gone, coming and death, C. Present or begotten or past, or D. Past or passing or to come. Correct option is D. Past or passing or to come. Question number 28. A tattered coat upon a stick and fastened to a dying animal for every tatter in its mortal dress are the examples of dash dash. Options are A. Foreshadowing, B. Pun, C. Metaphor, or D. Personification. Correct option is C. Metaphor. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching.